We will do question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.3 in this video. Let us begin our next exercise 4.3. Solve the following equations. Now here 2 times y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Now dear student, previously whatever rules we applied, same rules we have to apply over here also. Now first you have to transpose this 5 by 2 toward your right hand side. So transpose this value 5 by 2 in RHS. By doing such, here now you have to do addition or subtraction, but in this question while transposing, positive 5 by 2 will become negative 5 by 2. Now here it is found that denominator are same, so no need to find LCM. Directly you have to subtract the value. Now 37 minus 5 gives 32 by 2. Now write down this 2 by 2y as it is. Write down 32 by 2 as it is, or you can divide the value. You will get 16 over here, but I will put as it is. Now I have to eliminate this 2, means you have to cancel the value of 2. It is in multiple form. So as whatever we did previously, if it is in multiple form, now to get eliminate 2, so with the same value I have to divide that 2y, you have to divide by 2 only. So whatever value I am taking toward my left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. Now divide both the side by 2, so that, see here I had divided this 2y by 2, so I have to divide this 32 by 2 by 2 only, so multiply by 1 by 2. It is in division form. So now so that 2 and 2 will get cancelled, y by y. Now here 2 2s are 4, and when you will divide 32 by 4 you will get 8. So now if you want to check, now put y equals to 8 in the given equation. Now left hand side, whatever the expression given toward your left hand side, 2y plus 5 by 2, write down as it is. Now in place of y, substitute the value of y, that is 8 you got. Now 2 8s are 16 plus 5 by 2. Now LCM here, if you take it as a 1, so LCM, so I need 2 over here to multiply 2 in numerator and denominator both, or you can directly do cross multiplication, that is 16 2s are 32 plus 5 upon 2, 32 upon 2, 2 and 2 common denominator. Now you can add 32 plus 5 gives 37 upon 2. So check whether in the question 37 by 2 is there or not. Yes, it is there. So we can say that the LHS equals to RHS. Now let us see the next one. 5 times t equals to 28. 5 times t plus 28 equals to 10. Now first we cannot eliminate this value first. So compulsory you have to transpose this 28 toward your right hand side. So transpose 28 to RHS, the positive 28 will become negative 28. See, this is how. Then if do subtraction, 10 minus 28 gives negative 18. Now you have to eliminate this value of 5. So with 5 only you have to divide 5 times t. So if you divide 5 times t by 5 toward your left hand side, so you have to divide minus 18 by 5 toward your right hand side. So divide both the side by 5. So by dividing 5t by 5 and minus 18 by 5, so 5 and 5 will get cancelled. This is how we can separate the value of variable, that is t, and the value we got minus 18 by 5. Now we need to check whether the solution is correct or not. Now put t equals to minus 18 by 5 in the given equation. Now whatever the expression toward your left hand side, that is 5 times t plus 28, write it over here, and in place of t write down this value minus 18 by 5 plus 28 as it is. Now by doing such, 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Now what is left? 8 minus 18 left, and here 28 left. So 28 minus 18 gives 10, and see whether in the question 10 is there toward your right hand side of the equation. Yes, it is there. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS. That means the solution of the equation is correct. Now let us see the next sum. Now a divided by 5 plus 3 equals to 2. Now we can't eliminate this value 5. If we multiply 5 over here, so what about this? We have to multiply 5 over here also. So better try to transpose this 3 toward your right hand side. By transposing, positive 3 will become negative 3, or you can go with another method, that is our first method. If a positive 3 is there, subtract 3 from both the side. See here, subtract 3 from both the side. By doing such, see, subtract 3 from both the side. By doing such, positive 3 and negative 3 will get cancelled. Here a by 5 left, and 2 minus 3 gives negative 1. Negative 1. Then we have to eliminate this 5, and it is in division form. So as I told you, if the variable is divided by any number, the same number you have to multiply. if you're multiplying the value toward your left hand side, the same value you have to multiply toward your right hand side. So if I multiply 5 over here, the same value you have to multiply toward your right hand side. So by doing such, 5 and 5 will get eliminated. Value of A I got -1 into 5 gives -5. Now check, A equals to -5 in the given equation. Now LHS, write down this expression A upon 5 plus 3, that is value of A. In place of A you have to put -5. So -5 upon 5 plus 3. Now here either you can do cancellation or you can do cross multiplication. Better you do cancellation if it is possible. 5 ones are 5, that is -5 divided by 5 gives -1, and -1 and plus 3 gives 2. So see whether it is there in the question. 2 is there. 2, yes, it is there in the right hand side of the equation. So that means LHS equals to RHS and the solution is correct. Now let us see the next sum, that is A Q upon 4 plus 7 equals to 5. So transpose this 7 toward your right hand side while transposing, or you can go with another method, that is subtract 7 from both the side. So by doing such, positive 7 and negative 7 will get cancelled. See here, you have to subtract 7 from both the side, and what is left? Q upon 4 equals to 5 minus 7 give -2. By doing such, what is left now? 4. Now we have to eliminate this 4. It is in division form, to multiply 4 to both the side, to multiply 4 to both the side. By doing such, see, multiply 4 to both the side. By doing such, 4 and 4 will get cancelled, and now Q equals to -2 into 4 gives -8. Now check, that is put Q equals to -8 in the given equation left hand side. We have to see whether it is equals to right hand side or not. So Q upon 4 plus 7, in place of Q substitute the value of Q, that is -8. Put -8 in place of Q upon 4 plus 7. Now when you will divide -8 by 4, you will get -2, and -2 and plus 7 give 5, and see whether it is there in the equation toward the right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS. It is a solution of the equation. Now let us see the next sum, that is 5 by 2 x equals to 10. Now dear student, here the variable is here the value is multiplied with the variable, and thus, and one more condition, that it is divided by 2. It is multiplied by 5 and divided by 2. So here what we will do, first try to eliminate this 2, or you can eliminate 5 also by dividing both the side by 5. What I will do, I will try to eliminate 2 first. So I will multiply 2 to both the side. By doing such, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. -10 into 2 gives -20. Then you have to eliminate this 5. So you have to divide both the side by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled, and 20 when you will divide by 5, you will get -4. That means the value of x equals to -4. Now you have to check. How to check? Put x equals to -4 in the given equation. Now when you will write this equation, that is expression of left hand side, 5x upon 2, in place of x, you have to substitute the value of x, that is -4 in place of x. Now by doing such, see if it is cancellation is possible or not. 2 2s are, so -2 and 2 5s are 10, or you can multiply and divide, then also you will get -10 only, and see whether it is there in the right hand side of the equation. -10, yes, it is there. We can say it is a solution of the equation. Now next sum, 5 times x upon 2 equals to 25 upon 4. Now here also same thing, try to eliminate this 2, try to cancel this 2. I have to multiply 2 over here, the same value I have to multiply over here also, to multiply both the side by 2. So multiplying 2 on both the side, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and here you can reduce the value. 2 2s are 4, so here 25 upon 2 left. Now in the next step you have to eliminate this 5. So what I will do, I have to divide this 5x by 5. So same value you have to divide over here. So now divide both the side by 5. By doing such, see, 5x divided by 5 and 25 upon 2 divided by 5. It is in division form. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. X is left. Here 5 5s are 25. So here 5 upon 2 left. The value of x is 5 by 2. Then we have to check whether this solution of the equation is correct or not. So write on the expression of left hand side over here. Put x in the given equation. X equals to 2 in the given equation. That is 5 times x upon 2. In place of x, you have to put 5 by 2. So in place of x, put 5 by 2, and 5 by 2 as it is. 5 5s are 25 and 2 2s are 4. So 25 by 4, see whether it is there in the equation toward the right hand side. Yes, it is there. That means it is a solution of the equation. Now let us see the sum number G. 7 times m equals to 19 by 2 equals to 13. Now dear student, either you transpose this 19 by 2 toward your left hand side, or you can take you have to subtract minus 19 by 2 from both the side. By doing such, see, I have subtracted minus 19 by 2 from both the side. By doing such, positive 19 by 2 and negative 19 by 2 will get cancelled. So here 7 times m will left. Now here you need to find LCM or directly do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 13 2s are 26 minus 19 upon 2. So 26 minus 19 gives 7. So let's see 7 by 2. Now here to eliminate 7 times m, you have to divide 7m by 7. So same value, same thing, you have to divide whatever the value toward your right hand side, you have to divide by 7 only. So by, see, I had divided both the side by 7. By doing so, 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So here only m left, and now here 7 by 2 is left, and when you will divide it by 7, 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So what is left? 1 by 2. The value of m I got 1 by 2. Now I have to check whether the solution is correct or not. So I have to put m equals to half, that is 1 by 2 in the given equation. Write down the expression of left hand side, 7 times m plus 19 by 2. In place of m, substitute the value of m, that is half, 1 by 2. Write down over here half plus 19 by 2. Now 7 ones are 7 upon 2 and plus 19 by 2. Here denominator common, so directly you can add, that is 7 plus 19 gives 26 by 2. Now when you will divide 26 by 2, you will get 13, and see whether this 13 is there in the equation toward the right hand side. Yes, it is there. So right now LHS equals to RHS, we can say that it is a solution of the equation. Now next one, 6 times z plus 10 equals to minus 2. Now dear student, here either you subtract 10 from both the side, or you can transpose this 10 toward your right hand side. By transposing, positive 10 will become negative 10. Now here I had done with the first method, that is if I'll subtract 10 from both the side, see here, subtract 10 from both the side, the positive 10 and negative 10 will get cancelled. Here 6 times z will left, and minus minus will get plus. So minus 2 plus minus 10 give minus 12. Now you have to eliminate this 6, so it is in multiple form. So 6 times z, you have to divide by 6 only, so divide both the side by 6, so that divide both the side by 6, so 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So 12 divide 6, minus 12 divide 6 give minus 2. So now you have to check whether it is a solution of the equation is correct or not. So I have to put this z equals to minus 2 in the given equation. Write down the expression of left hand side over here, 6 times z plus 10. In place of z, you have to write down this negative 2. Substitute the value of z, that is negative 2, that is 2 6 are negative 12. 2 into negative 2 gives negative 12 plus 10. Negative 12 plus 10 gives negative 2. See whether this value is there in the equation toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say it is a solution of the equation. Now let us see some number I. 3 times L upon 2 equals to 2 by 3. Now dear student, you can eliminate the value of 3 first, or you can eliminate the value of 2 first. Here I will eliminate the value of 2 first. Here it is in division form. As I told you, whatever the value is, if it is in denominator, same value I will take in numerator. I have to multiply 2 over here, and if whatever number I am taking toward my left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. If I am multiplying the value, same value to multiply toward your right hand side. Now multiply both the side by 2. By doing such, see here I had multiplied 2 to both the side. By doing so, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now what is left? 3 times L. Now 2 2s are 4. Here cancellation is not possible. 2 2s are 4 by 3. Now here 3 times L. Now I have to eliminate this 3 times L, that is 3. So it is in multiple form. So 3 times L should be divided by 3. If I am dividing this 3L by 3, so you have to divide 4 by 3 by 3 only. So what we will do? So 3 times L divided by 3. So divide both the side by 3. So 3 times L divided by 3, so 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and 4 by 3 divided by 3. So here cancellation is not possible. 4 1s are 4, 3 3s are 9. The value of L you got 4 by 9. Now dear student, put L equals to 4 by 9 in the given equation. Now here LHS is 3 times L upon 2. Substitute the value of L, that is 4 by 9 in place of L. So write down 3 by 2 as it is, and in place of L write down 4 by 9. Now by doing such, do cancellation if it is possible. 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. In numerator 2 left and in denominator 3 left. So write down in numerator 2 and denominator 3 and see whether it is there in the equation in the right hand side. Yes, it is there, 2 by 3. So that means write down equals to RHS, LHS equals to RHS, and is a solution of the equation. Now let us see the sum number J, that is 2 times B upon 3 minus 5 equals to 3. Now dear student, we can't eliminate this 3 or 2 first, obviously we have to eliminate this value first. Whatever value which is in addition or subtraction form, either you transpose this value toward your right hand side, the negative will become positive. So here I had applied that first method. So if it is negative 5, so I will add positive 5 toward my left hand side. Whatever value I am adding toward my left hand side, same value you have to add toward your right hand side. So now add both the side by 5. So by doing such, see, I had added 5 to both the side. So by doing such, positive 5 and negative 5 will get cancelled. So here what is left? 2 times b upon 3 equals 2, and here cancellation is not possible. The 3 plus 5, 8. Now you have to eliminate this 3 first, or you can eliminate this 2 first. So I will eliminate this 3. So it is in division form. So I will multiply 3 over here and here also. As I told you, the rule says both the side you have to apply the condition. Now multiply 3 both the side, 3 and 3. So by doing such, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So here 2 times b left, and 3 8s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Now you have to eliminate this 2. So how you will eliminate? You have to divide 2b by 2. So you have to divide 24 by 2. Both the side you have to divide by 2. So divide both the side by 2. So see, when you divide both the side by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So your value of b equals to 24 divided 2 equals to 12. Now you have to check whether the solution whatever we got is correct or not. So put b equals to 12 in the given equation. So write down the expression of left hand side, that is 2 times b upon 3 minus 5. Now value of b here it is 2. So substitute the value of b, that is 12. Value of b equals to 12. So in place of b write down 12, and 2 by 3 as it is minus 5. Now cancel if it is possible. 3 4s are 12 and 2 4s are 8, and 8 minus 5 is 3, and see whether it is there in the equation toward the right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say b equals to 12 is the solution of the equation. Now let us start question number 2. Solve the following equation. Now dear student, same rule we will apply, but here it is a bracket given. So first we have to resolve this bracket, then we have to apply those conditions whatever we used to do in our past exercises. Now 2 multiply by, in bracket, x plus 4 bracket close equals to 12. Now how to eliminate, how to resolve this bracket? So you have to multiply, or you can eliminate this 2 at first only. For that, if I'll divide this whole right hand side by 2, that is divide both the side by 2, see what I did. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and 12 divided 2 gives 6. Now what is left now? X plus 4 equals to 6. Now either you do transposition of 4 toward your right hand side, or you can subtract 4 from both the side. So see, I had subtracted 4 from both the side. Write down subtract 4 from both the sides. So positive 4 negative 4 will get cancelled. 6 minus 4 gives 2. X equals to 2. Now check whether it is correct or not. The LHS, write down the expression 2 in bracket x plus 4. In place of x you have to write down 2. So 2 plus 4 6, and 2 6 are 12. Check whether 12 is there in the equation toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So that means it is the solution of the equation. Then the next one is 3 times n minus 5 equals to 21. So let us eliminate this value of 3 first. So divide both the side by 3. So by doing such, see, divide both the side by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Then what is left? N minus 5. Here 21 divide 3 gives 7. Now either you transpose this value toward your right hand side, or you can add 5 to both the side, because here it is negative 5. So I will, if I'll add positive 5 to both the side, the positive negative 5 and positive 5 will get cancelled. So n equals to 7 plus 5 gives 12. Now by doing such, you have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So write down the expression of left hand side, that is 3 times n minus 5 in bracket. In place of n write down 12. Substitute the value of n, that is 12. 12 minus 5 gives 7. 7 3s are 21. See whether it is there in the equation toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say that it is the solution of the given equation. Now the next sum is sum number 6. See, 3 times n minus 5 equals to minus 21. So here either you can multiply both the term with 3, or you can eliminate this 3 at the beginning only. So if I'll divide both the side by 3, so 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and 21 divided by 3 gives negative 7, because it is negative 21. Now here negative 5 is there, so I will add positive 5 both the side. So see, by adding positive 5 both the side, positive and negative will get cancelled. So here n is left. Minus 7 plus 5 gives minus 2. Now you have to check, put n equals to minus 2 in the given equation. Now write down the expression of left hand side, 3 times n minus 5. n in place of n, write down -2, minus plus -7, and -7 into 3 gives -21. So it is equals to RHS. So we can say it is a solution of the given equation. Then next sum. Here -4 2 plus x equals to 8. Now dear student, try to eliminate this -4 first. I have to divide whatever the expression toward your left hand side by -4 only, then only it will get cancelled. So I have to divide whatever the value toward your right hand side with -4 only. So by doing such, the -4 will get cancelled, and 8 divided by -4. So 4 2s are 8, but here it is one term is in negative, so your value will come in negative. So -2 will come here, 2 plus x is left. Now if you either you do transposition, or here positive 2 is there, you will subtract -2 from both the side. So by doing such, see, -2 both the side, -2, it is already -2, and when you subtract -2 from subtract 2 from both the side, or add -2 both the side, or subtract 2 from both the side. So by doing such, positive 2 and -2 will get cancelled. So here x is left, minus plus -4. Now you have to see. Now you have to put x equals to -4 in the given equation. You have to check whether LHS is equals to RHS or not. Write down the expression of left hand side over here, -4 2 plus x. Now substitute the value of x. That is -4. So put -4 over here. So minus plus minus only, -4 and +2 gives -2, minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8, and see whether it is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. It is there in the right hand side of the equation. So write down equals to RHS. Yes, it is a solution of the given equation. Now let us see next sum number E. 4 times 2 minus x equals to 8. Now you have to eliminate this 4. So divide the left hand side by 4 and divide right hand side by 4. So by doing such, write down divide both side by 4. By doing such, see, I had divided both the side by 4. By doing such, 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 8 divided 4 gives 2. Then here I had applied another method. I had transposed this 2 toward my right hand side. So here my negative x is left. So here positive 2 will become -2. 2 minus 2 gives 0. Now negative, the variable cannot be negative. So to make it positive, I have to multiply this negative x by -1. So if I multiply -1 toward my left hand side, the same value you have to multiply toward your right hand side. So multiply -1 to both the side. So negative and negative will give positive, and 0 into -1 gives 0 only. So here the value of x I got 0. Now dear student, you have to substitute the value of x in the given equation. That is write down the expression of left hand side. 4 times 2 minus x, in place of x write down 0. Now 2 minus 0 is 2 only, and 2 4s are 8, and see whether it is there in the equation toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say that it is the solution of the given equation. X equals to 0 is the solution of the given equation. Now let us see the next sum, that is sum number F. Now here 4 in bracket 2 minus x equals to 9. Now here I had applied another method. See what I told previously, 2 4s are 8, 4 into x, 4x equals to 9. Now dear student, you can transpose this 8 toward your right hand side. By doing such, positive 8 will become -8. Write down transposing 8 to right hand side. Now here -4 times x is left. Now here 9 minus 8 is 1. Now to eliminate this -4, I have to divide this -4 times x by -4 only. So divide both the side by, or you can divide with 4 also. So only just the value you will get in negative only. So if you will divide both the side by 4, so 4 and 4 will get cancelled, and negative x is left. Now here 1 by 4 is left. Now your variable cannot be negative, so you have to multiply this with -1. If you multiply whatever the value toward your left hand side, the same value you have to multiply toward your right hand side. So if I multiply -1 toward my left hand side, so you have to multiply -1 toward your right hand side. So by doing so, negative into negative will become positive. Now here negative positive into negative will become negative. So a value of x equals to -1 by 4. Now you have to substitute the value of x equals to -1 by 4 in the given equation. Now 4 equals to, write down the expression of left hand side, 4 in bracket 2 minus x. Now 4 2 as it is, this sign as it is, and value of x, that is -1 by 4, you have to write in bracket. Now negative and negative will become positive, and LCM is 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 upon 4. that is 9 upon 4, and 4 will get cancelled. It is bracket. Bracket means you have to multiply. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled, and here 9 is left. And see whether in the equation you have 9. Yes, it is there in the equation to the right hand side. So we can say that this is the solution of the given equation. Now the next one is 4 plus 5 in bracket p minus 1 equals to 34. Now either you resolve this bracket, because here now you cannot able to divide because here two terms are there. Now to resolve this bracket first. So 5 into p, 5p, 5 ones are 5. Bracket gets open. Write on this as it is. Then 4 minus 5 gives minus 1 only. So 5 times p minus 1 equals to 34. Now transpose this negative 1 toward your right hand side. So negative 1 will become positive 1. So 34 plus 1 gives 35. Now you have to eliminate this 5 times p. So 5 times p should be divided by 5. So both the side you have to divide by 5. Both the side you have to divide by 5. So divide both the side by 5. So see, I had divided both the side by 5. So 5 and 5 will get eliminate. 35 divided 5 gives 7. So here value of p I got 7. Now you have to substitute the value of p in the given equation. Write on the expression of left hand side. 4 plus 5 in bracket p minus 1. In place of p, write on this 7. 7 minus 1 gives 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So that means see whether it is there in the equation 34 toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say that this is the solution of the given equation. Let us see the last sum of question number 2. 34 minus 5 p minus 1 equals to 4. So now open this bracket first, resolve this bracket. So 5 into p, 5p, 5 ones are 5, that is negative into negative give positive. Now 34 plus 5 gives 39. So write down 39 minus 5p equals to 4. Now either you transpose the value or you can subtract 39 from both the side. What I will do, I will transpose 39 toward my right hand side. So while transposing, positive 39 will become negative 39. So here negative 5 times p left while transposing negative. Now 4 minus 30 minus 39 give minus 35. Now divide both the side by 5. So by doing such, see both the side when you will divide, so 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So here negative p left and here 5 sevens are, so negative 7 left. Now to make it positive, variable cannot be negative, so both the side you have to multiply with negative 1. So negative p will become positive p and negative 7 will become positive 7. Now you have to substitute this value in the equation. Write down, put 7 in the given equation. Write down the expression of left hand side, that is 34 minus p 5 in bracket p minus 1. In place of p, write down this 7. 7 minus 1 gives 6. 6 5s are 30, that is negative 30. 34 minus 30 gives 4. So see whether it is there in the equation toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say that p equals to 7 is the solution of the given equation.